Garo Hills ka Jing kren patba kalas dang ban khi biang halor ki mat ki bakta ya ka Jing don briu ka electoral roll bat ka Jing pandon kam ya ki scheduled tribe certificate ha ka jela. Kat kum ka Jing thu jong WUMDC ubadai na ka Bharatiya Janata Party ulaong ba ka Jing yo SD certificate menta kalalong ka padon kam ban nakabenta ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Kani ka sin jam katmu ban penshai bat penskem ya ka Jing ithu ya ki trai shnong basisha. Hakaju kapor la thawru ya ka committee ban bishar bunia ya ka electoral roll. Kani ka Jing threi kalong hadin ka Jing sokhia halor ka Jing wan rung jong kinong wan shnong thamai batru kibriu kibala bandon arteli ki vote. Lakdo bahakatu katni ki constituency ka Jing don kinong the vote kala Kiew na kasan hajar sa ka Hapoh hajar lani khatwei hajar Tang ha kasan Snem ka Jing Kiew ka balapenmi ka Jing mut ka bajur. Ka Jing kren kala phai ru sha ka Jing Kiew state jong ka Jing don briu ha ki chakathem ka balakdo kum ka Jingwa ya ka jat ben Rilum. Na kani ka daw la kentu ban pentre kam ya kilat Jing yada kum ka line permit lani ILP ban penne ya ka hok jong kinong shnong basisha. Hakaliang kasan hima sima utay UMDC ulakeno bah hakini kisan Snem baladep kaliang persya kalasya pensertok ha ka district council watla omdon ka kendon opposition ha ka ADC. Ulaong bakani kamde ka Jingyo ben ya kinong mikmat Henry ya kipatba ki balajid ya ki. Shushu ulabatay chpang kabil ka penlong mandatory ya ka SD certificate. Watla kasdang watla ha kasdang shem la sya pdiang Henry hadin lawan ra biang haying dorbar bat la menjur no ha kaju kasngi bat la yo ru ka Jing menjur na governor ha kasngi ka babot. Henry la pen pauru badon kam ban pen kala katu kani benta jong kani ka an khamtam ha ka bayadei bat ka Jing kentup ya ki kentin indigenous scheduled tribe citizen ban pentikna batang ki traishnong ki badei hok kinla banyashim benta. Katba kasamoy trekam jong ka district council kala jankut ha ka khat pratarik jong uyayong la kentu badei ban penlong no ya ka election tang shudep ka Jing bishar ya ka electoral roll. La ai Jing mudru baladon ka Jing yai beteng ka bor peniat ka dei bandon ha ka kti jong governor ha ka executive committee ben pentikana ya ka Jing bishar hok. Ka Jing kren patba kadang beteng kat bakipatba kidang up ya ka kaipot jong ka committee ka boon sa peni ya ka lenti ban shim ya ki sinjam ki babiang ha ka jela.
So it is very high. The population rate is rising very high. So these issues we have discussed today, and Honorable Governor has taken cognizance of all our points, and we have submitted the memorandum also. And if all the process are completed at a short time, that election be held at the earliest. That is also our prayer. Because our term is there till April 18. So after April 18, if these processes are completed, then we requested that elections should be held. I think the state government has taken the initiative to extend the term of the present EC. That can be explained by the state government. In spite of saying that they are not interfering in the matters of district council, but politically it is all being maneuvered by the same political party which is running the state. Officially, I have moved a motion regarding this making ST certificate mandatory in the Autonomous District Council on 27th of November in the session itself. But in spite of I being from BJP, the ruling have not accepted, saying that I am from the opposition. Now, regarding that matter also we have discussed. In district council there is no provision for opposition. There is no provision. But in spite of that, last 5 years we have been kept in opposition and we have been deprived of so many facilities that we were supposed to give to the people. So that matter has been taken up, and our Honorable Governor has taken serious note of it. Because this is not a discrimination to an elected member, but also a discrimination to the people who have elected a member. Yes, that's why yes, I have brought this bill like motion to make the ST certificate mandatory in the district council on 27th of November last year, but it was not accepted. Later, the executive committee has passed a notification which was quashed by the Honorable Court, and this time it was presented in the House again, and the bill was presented and it was passed within a day, and it was notified. The governor has actually assented to it within 1 day itself. So 23rd the bill was presented and it was passed, and 24th it was assented. Now, if somebody is taking credit for it, that is not our issue, because the people from Garo Hills, I think even from Khasi Hills knows who has brought this bill, and it is the MDCs who have passed, not the state government or not any political party. It is the all party has joined hands for this bill. This bill, it has to be amended afterwards again, because on 23rd of March, when this bill was being presented, in fact, I have written a letter to the legislative branch, branch in the district council, citing that Rule 8, Subpara A, it mentions about the citizen of India, that anybody who is a citizen of India can contest. So I suggested that should be amended, saying that is a scheduled tribe indigenous citizen of India. What you are saying is right, but they were very hasty to pass that bill, because on that day something else was already planned. That's why they did not give time to correct that one line, because indigenous scheduled tribe, that should have been added. But I think everybody has taken note of that, and that's why it will be corrected afterwards. So it's not going to be a big issue. See, it falls under Rule 128. So the permanent residents and those who are voters, they have to prove themselves that they